We have summary over here. Okay. See, the first one is if angle A is equal to angle B, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F, then we can write triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. एज वी नो, है ना, हम लोग जस्ट इससे पहले वाले वीडियो में हम लोग देखे थे, इसको हम लिख सकते हैं एंगल 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 सिमिलैरिटी, है ना। The second one, if any two angles of a two triangle are equal, if I write angle A is equal to angle D and angle B is equal to angle E, then also we can say that triangle ABC will be similar to triangle DEF. Okay? Angle angle similarity. These are the two parts of the summary, and the third one is if the ratio of their corresponding sides are proportional, if their ratios of corresponding sides are proportional, that is AB divided by DE is equal to BC divided by EF will be equal to AC divided by DF. Then also we can write the two triangles are, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Okay, from side similarity. Okay, and the fourth one, that is if one angle, okay, corresponding angles are equal and that is AB divided by DE is equal to AC divided by DF. So we can see here clearly, see we have two triangles ABC and we have another triangle DEF. Okay, so here angle A is equal to angle D and AB, this part is equal, मतलब कि equal है ना, and this part is equal to this, मतलब कि corresponding sides का रेशियो, ये corresponding sides का रेशियो और बीच का एंगल आपस में क्या है, इक्वल है, तब हम बोल सकते हैं कि दोनों ट्राइंगल सिमिलर होगा। Then triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF from side angle side criteria or similarity. Okay, so we have to memorize this or we have to practice this, that if all angles of a triangle are, if all angles of two triangles are equal, corresponding angles, है ना, then we can say that both the triangles are similar from angle angle similar. If one and two angles are equal of two triangles, then we can say that the two triangles are similar, है ना, from angle similarities. And the third one, that if the corresponding sides ratios are proportional, then we can say that the two triangles are similar, है ना, that is from side criteria. And the fourth one, that is side angle side. Okay, so go through it and do the practice of the questions from solved example, है ना, there are lots of solved examples questions in your RS Sarwal. So do the practice of solved examples, then you can easily solve the exercise 7B, है ना, हम लोग सॉल्व एग्जाम्पल्स को अच्छे से बनाएंगे. There are total 32 examples. So first of all we will do all the 32 examples. After that you can easily calculate the exercise 7b. Okay, thank you class, have a nice day.